Hey there! Are you tired of spending hours designing graphics for your business or personal projects? Well, let me introduce you to Canva AI. This online platform can help you create stunning designs in no time. The first step is to select the type of graphic you want to create. Whether it's a social media post, a presentation, or a poster, Canva AI has got you covered. Next, you can choose from thousands of templates created by professional designers. Canva AI will recommend the best options based on your style and preferences. But wait, there's more. Canva AI uses machine learning algorithms to analyze your content and suggest color schemes, fonts, and graphics. This saves you time and ensures that your design looks professional. One of the coolest things about Canva AI is that it can remove backgrounds from images. This is perfect for creating product shots or personalizing social media posts. Lastly, remember to save your design and download it in various formats, including PDF, JPEG, and PNG. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.